Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this presentation, we are going to see how you should have applied our simple day trading strategy method on last week Friday's market. And you can see that whenever I place a cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. This is the last week that was on 2nd, the price opening that happened on 2nd of August. We had informed you earlier that in order to follow this strategy, you need to follow certain rules. We had made it very clear whenever the price opens gapped up or gap down, which means compared to the previous day's price closing, it would have opened somewhere higher, and the trading will be also somewhere higher or lower than the previous day's price closing. So in this type of cases, what you should do is that you should wait for the price to touch the first white color line. You have two white color lines. You can call it as a first line and second line, or first band or second band, or upper band or lower band, whatever it's convenient for you, you can call that. So whenever the price is touching this first line, it should show a blue color, so that it indicates that the market has got the momentum to stay in uptrend. In this particular case, what we are going to do is that we are going to place this might be the area where you would have entered, and your stop loss will be just 3 points below the lower band. So you can see in this first case we got stopped out the next few candlestick itself. We know that profit and loss both are part of this business. In any business, profit and loss is going to be the part of it. So we know that we had made some loss, but we are not going to take the sell calls, as our first rule states that whenever the price is staying above this green line, you should stay only in buying. So we are not going to enter or think about any selling opportunities. So here you would have got some, or you would have made some profit, but we don't bother about that. We are looking for some buying opportunities, because the price is trading somewhere above this green line. So why we are following this rule? We want to make ourselves very clear if we follow the trend. So here you got another valuable indication which states that it is above the upper band, or the first white line. So you can consider this as a valuable trade signal. What you can do is that you can place your buy order somewhere here, and where you would have placed your stop loss, 3 points below this band, the second white line. So now we are going to move the trade. As you all know, the most great advantage is you should move your stop loss according to the lower white band. You can see that this is one of best way of reducing our risk, which means that here you can see slowly and steadily we are decreasing our stop loss. So this is the most successful thing when you follow this day trading strategy, because whenever you make loss, you make it small, so that whenever you make profit, you can make it huge. So here it went up to certain point from this area, you can see, but it is not we cannot consider this as a very valuable thing, because it had moved just 15 points from the line. So what we should do is that keep on moving the stop loss, and you can see the second time also we got stopped out. But you can see the first case and the second case, in both the case we got stopped out with a minimum of minimum points. So we don't bother about that. We have taken into account we got stopped out twice, and we know that and we have the confidence in our trading system. It can produce you some valuable signals or entry point. So the system is also thinking a lot. You can see how much time it's showing in ash color. It also knows that we should give a proper signal next time. So here in this particular case, the price was testing the green line. Whenever it tests the green line, we know that we have requested you to follow our 5-point rule. On considering the price volatility, we have increased to 7 point. That means that below the green line, if it comes 7 points, you are going to enter for a sell, and 7 point is going to be a stop loss. Here you would have entered into this particular area, and you can see that it had provided you a very good profit. So this is the greatest advantage of following the system. Whenever you make profit, you make it big, but whenever you make loss, you make it small. That is the idea behind any trading strategy. So you can see it had provided you another wonderful opportunity for you to trade and make profit the next time. Here you got another blue signals, but we are not going to consider that because it's staying below the green line. So we are not going to take any buy signals. We are going to focus only on selling and the price closes. So the market closed at this particular area. So this is the Saturday's market. So the price closed in this area itself. So what we can do is that so this is one of the best revolutionary way to do a day trading in a very professional way. So if you are our follower, please try to open a trading account with us so that you can have individual training session. So the account for opening and the brokerage, everything we provide you, a low brokerage, free account opening, free training. So you can make use of this wonderful charting platform so that you can increase your profit by trading. So let us see what's going to happen today, and please try to open an account, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.